Hello everyone, it's Rita here. In my previous video, we have already done the geometry chapter number 5, practice set number 5.1, question number 1. So in this video, we are going to study about the question number 2. It is given determine whether the given points are collinear or not. So here the first point is given. There will be 3 points will be given. We have to find the distance between 2 points. We have the point A, B and C. First we will find the distance between the point AB, then point BC, and point AC. All the 3 distance we will find by the distance formula. So first of all we will take distance between the point AB under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the value of x2 is our 2, x1 is our 1, y2 is our minus 5 and y1 is our minus 3. So 2 minus 1 we get 1 whole square plus here in the 3 also we have the minus and outside the bracket also we have the minus plus. So 5 is given the minus and 3 become plus. Minus plus minus. So 5 minus 3 we get minus 2 whole square. 1 ka square is 1, 2 ka square is 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5 under root 5. Now the distance between the point BC will substitute the value of x2 is minus 4, x1 is 2 whole square plus 7, y2 is 7 minus y1 is the minus 5. So here minus 4 minus 2 is minus plus minus 6. Bigger number sign plus here bracket is given minus plus 7 plus 5 is 12 whole square. Minus 6 ka square is 36, 12 ka square is 144. So addition of this number we get 180. So we'll do the factorization of this 180 we get 6 under root 5. Now the next one is given AC. So here AC will take same formula by the distance formula. Substitute the value of x2, x1, y2 and y1. Here we get minus 4 minus 1. Minus plus 4 plus 1 is 5. So bigger number is 4. So minus 5 plus minus plus. So 7 plus 3 became 10. So minus 5 ka square plus 10 ka square. So here we get 5 ka square is 25. 10 ka square is 100. Total is 125. We'll factorize this. We'll get the value what? 5 under root 5. In these 3 distance, we have to use the formula to check whether these given points are collinear or not. If the sum of any 2 distance is equal to the third one, then we can say 3 points are collinear. So we have the 3 point distance AB, BC and AC. The bigger one is we have BC. The other 2 is AB and AC. So distance between the BC equal to distance of AB plus distance of AC. Substitute the value. BC की value we have 6 under root 5. AB की value we have 1 under root 5. And AC की value of 5 under root 5. So under root 5 is a common. 5 plus 1 is became 6. Okay. Under root 5 means that outside is in the AB value, outside is 1 value. So 1 plus 5 became 6. So both the side is equal. So it means the point ABC are collinear. The second point is given. Point L, point M, point N. Same way by the distance formula we will find the 3 distance. LM first, then MN and LN. So while taking the LM, use the formula. X2 value is 1, X1 value is minus 2, Y2 value is minus 3, Y1 value is 3. So here minus plus 1 plus 2 became 3, minus plus 3 plus 3 became minus 6. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 6 is minus 6 is 36. Addition is under root 45. So we will do the prime factor, we get 3 under root 5. Same way Mn will do. Substitute the value of Mn ka x and y ka value. 5 minus 1 we get 4 and minus plus 4 plus 3 became 7. 4 ka square is 16, 7 ka square is 49. Addition of this number we get 65. Now the next one is ln. 65 cannot be factorized, so we have kept this way only. Now we'll take the point ln. So substitute the value. 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 का square is 49. 1 का square is 1. Became 50 under root 50. We'll check. So 50 can be factorized. So we get 5 under root 2. Now sum of the any two distance is equal to the third. Then we can say the 3 points are collinear. So mn की value we have, the bigger one is 65. Under root में 65 is there. lm की value is under root 45 and ln की value we have under root 50. So 45 plus 50 we don't get the answer, right, which is not equal to 65. It means the point L, M, N and are not collinear. The one is given point R, D and S. By the distance formula we'll do the for the point R and D we'll find the distance, substitute the value. We get 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Square of 2 is 4, square of minus 2 is also 4, became under root 8. Now the point D and S, substitute the value of x2 and x1, y2 and minus 1. We get 3 minus 2 is 1, minus minus plus 1 plus 1 is minus 2. 1 ka square is 1, 2 ka square is 4. So under root 5 we get. Now we'll do the distance of RS. Substitute the value. 3 minus 0 and minus 1 and minus 3 came. 3 minus 0 we get 3, minus minus plus 1 plus 3 is minus 4. Now 3 ka square is 9, minus 4 ka square is 16, totally became 25. So now we'll substitute the formula. We'll substitute the value in the formula. The RS is the biggest one, so RS equal to distance between the RD and distance between DS. 8 and 5 is there. 8 plus 5 is 13 only, which is not equal. So we can say point RDS are not collinear. The fourth one, the point P, Q and R. By the distance formula, first of all we will find the distance between the point P and Q. We'll write the formula first. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to take the value of x and y of point P and Q. So substitute the value. So here we get 3 ka square and 1 ka square. 3 ka square is 9, 1 ka square is 10. Now the second one is the distance between the QR. Same way, between the Q and R we have to take the value of x2 and x1 and y2 and y1. Now 3 ka square is 9, 1 ka square is 1, 10. Now PR ka point we have the x1 is minus 2, x2 is 4. So x2 is 4, 4 minus minus 2 and 1 minus 3. So here get minus minus plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 minus 3 is 2. Big number is 3, so minus 2 came. 6 ka square is 36, minus 2 ka square is 4. We get 40. 40 we'll do the prime factor. We get 2 under root 10. So in between these three distance PR is the greater among the others. So if the sum of the two distance is equal to the third one, then we can say the collinear. PR is greater than the other 2 points. So distance PR is equal to distance between the QR plus distance between the PQ. Substitute the value. Under root 10, under root 10. So 1 under root 10, 1 under root 10. 1 plus 1, 2 under root 10. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So we can say point PR, QR are collinear.